you going with?
With Mama Tata, with
Lola Chacha, Daddy, who else?
and Lolo.
And Lolo.
Hello.
Hello. Are you excited?
We're all the airplane.
Where are you going?
The airplane.
Airplane. Where are you going nga? Going to?
Papa, Lola, Tata,
And? Where?
like this?
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
What do you eat in Japan?
Ramen.
Ramen. What else?
I will buy Papa Pola and Simbalol.
Cinnamon rolls. Second trip with a toddler.
Oh,
So tingin mo mag-away tayo?
lagi naman.
Uy, hindi tayo nag-away sa Hong Kong. Sa Hong Kong, we made it without a yaya. Diba? Nag-travel tayo.
Asa?
Hindi, promise. Hindi tayo nag-away doon kasi feel ko parehas kami na okay na nag-walk na ano. Diba? Sir?
Sige.
We're here. Oh, your ears?
Yeah.
Open your mouth.
Why?
Why it's Awi?
We're here now. Yeah, Sata. Oh, Sata.
Yay! Excited? Parang di naman. Hi, Moms!
Hi.
Where are you?
Welcome to Japan!
Welcome to Japan! Faster, baby! Hello!
Hi guys! Where you going?
We're going to the hotel and sleep as it's nighttime.
We're gonna eat ramen.
Ramen first. After we're gonna sleep. Ramen first. I said it's nighttime.
First meal of our trip. First meal? What's our first meal?
Ramen.
Ramen! Ichiran! Let's go! That's not Ichiran. Ichiran is here.
Dahil sarado na yung Ichiran, nag-pick na lang kami ng random ramen place.
Sa sobrang gutom. 1 hour yung
1 hour
waiting
yung
time.
wait eh, hindi na kaya. Dahil naglakad kami ng 1 hour.
Nagreklamo na sila.
Nagreklamo na to. Dahil naglakad na daw siya ng 1 hour. Gutom na daw siya.
Napabir tuloy ito si Daddy.
Pwede yun.
Oh, napabir na si Daddy.
Beer na si Daddy, first night pa lang. So sobrang gutom. Di na video, di na picture.
So where are you now?
Oh, the deer now.
Here, Nara. Nara with the deer. Look, Molly. Oh no. Oh no.
Deer.
So saan tayo?
Nasa
Doe,
a
a deer, a female deer. So we're here in Nara Park. So
Anong masasabi mo sa pagsugod na mo?
inaantay ko si Sandara Park. Pero kikitain ko mamaya si Ray Park. 1, 2, 3, go!
Uy!
Where are we going? To the temple.
Train to Busan. To Korea pala.
Ito yung mga zombie apocalypse na mga madadaanan niyo.
Yung tatakbo ka na, tapos madadapa ka.
Paano rin na pa?
Ang dilim.
Ew, you want that? That's a poo-poo. You want the poo-poo? Are you hungry? This is what you're gonna expect if you're gonna feed the deer. Bite, kick, butt, and knock down. So yan, dapat mag-ingat kayo. So meron kasi akong teammate dito dati. na naglalaro sa Osaka Ibiza.
Dito, teammate mo dito dati. So, Japanese ka.
Teammate ko dati na naglalaro dito. So, naglalaro sa Osaka Ibiza. So, kilala naman siguro si Ray Parks. Si Ray
Dapat
Parks.
surprise.
Si Ray Parks Jr.
Surprise.
So, manood kami ng game. Nakausap ko siya. Bigyan na daw kami 5 tickets. So, andito na kami. Walking. Papunta sa game. So, here. VIP. Oh, Ray Parks from Ray Parks. Ray Parks.
Ray Parks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, 5 tickets. Thanks, Ray.
プロオールスターのマスコットにマイド君、そしてオールスターチアリーダーズに
じゃないと階段があると思うんですけど、あの辺りですよ。
What's up, my guy? Go, big go! What's up, my bro? Ay, good to see you. Good luck ha, galingan mo.
Talaga nagagawa ng pera.
Ikaw yun ha, galingan mo. Thank you sa tickets ha.
Ano naman?
Gabi sikat na set na
Ilang araw ka dito?
hanggang Friday pa.
Friday, bukas. Sige, ano tayo? Saka lang ha?
Oo, saka lang. Nambas na namba, malapit kami nambay.
Namba? Perfect. Okay, sige.
Go, Daddy. After multiple tries. Go, Daddy. Oh, say thank you to Daddy. Let's go. After 25 tries, finally, let's go! Mainit.
Ay, dito. Kailangan magpalamig.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.